Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 1.3. Now fourth question. Fourth question is completed. Fifth question in 1.3. If 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number, one by 7 of the same number by 36. Find the number. See, if you want to get the answer, first you should know English very well. Because you are studying in English medium, they will give the question in English itself. Now, try to understand what he given. If 2 by 5 of a number, we don't know that number. So, whatever you don't know, what you have to assume, that number you have to assume as x. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. So, next 2 by 5 of a number. See, 2 by 5 of a number means a number is you assumed as that number as x. 2 by 5 of a number means of means into 2 by 5 into x. 2 by 5 of a number is 2 by 5 into x. Next 1 by 7 of the same number. 1 by 7 of the same number. Same number means this number is x. This number is also x. Of means into, I said already, 1 by 7 into x. 1 by 7 of same number means 1 by 7 into x. 2 by 5 of a number means 2 by 5 into x. They given one relation between these two numbers. What he said? 2 by 5 of a number exceeds. Exceeds means it is having greater value. So this is having greater value than this number by how much? 36. Means to get 2 by 5 of x, 1 by 7 of x should be added to 36. 2 by 5 of x is exceeds 1 by 7th of a number by 36. Means 1 by 7 of a number, if you add 36 for this one, you will get this. Otherwise, you can write directly from 2 by 5 of x. If you subtract 1 by 7 of x, you are getting 36, whatever it is. So 1 by 7 of x, this is x, this is x. Like terms you have to take to one side. Then 2 by 5 of x minus 1 by 7 of x is equal to 36. So you can take LCM or you can take x as common. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 7 into x is equal to 36. LCM for this one. For this LCM, 5 and 7. The LCM becomes 35 or not? 5 how many times will go? 7 times. 7 into numerator, 14. 7 how many times will go? 5 times. 5 into 1, 5. Into x is equal to 36. From 14, if you subtract 5, you are getting 9 by 35 into x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 into 35 by 9. Okay. 9 table or 3 table. 3 3s are 3 12s are 3 1s are 3 4s are 35 4s are 4 5s are 20 0 2 so 12 plus 2 is 14. So what is that number? 140. So 2 by 5 of 140 and 1 by 7 of 140, if you do subtraction, the answer should come as 36. That is checking. How to check? How to check means what you have to do? 2 by 5 of a number. The problem completes up to here only. So checking is for your sake. 2 by 5 of a number means you can write 2 by 5 of a number means 140. 1 by 7 of a number means 140. 7 ones are 7 20s are. 5 twos are 5 8s are. 28 twos are 56 are. Minus 20. How much you got answer? 36. So difference of these two is also 36 sir. So our answer is correct. Next we will go for next problem. Next problem, what he given? Two pieces of length 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 3 by 10 meters are cut off from a rope of 11 meters long. See here, maybe assume as this as rope. This rope's total length is 11 meters. What he done is, he cut two pieces of length 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 3 by 10 meters are cut off from a rope of 11 meters long. What is the length of the remaining rope? What he said is some part and another some part. Two pieces he cut off from 11 meters. That piece's length is 2 3 by 5 meters is one part. And again 3 3 by 10 meters another part. Now what he is asking is remaining part's length how much? See, this is, let it be 11 meters. If you cut one piece of 3 meters, one piece of 4 meters. If you cut one piece, two pieces you cut from 11 meters rope. How much rope is remain means what you will do? These two you will add and you will subtract this sum from 11 meters. Means 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is how much? It is 4. So 4 meters length of rope is remain. Here how you done? Here also you should do same. These two you should do addition and that sum should be subtracted from the total length of the rope. Now, how to do? So, writing part. First piece, second piece and total length of the rope and remaining length. Remaining length is equal to total length of the rope minus sum of the ropes which were cut off. Okay. Now this 11 minus as it is, this is mixed fraction. These two multiply and add. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. 10 3s are 30 plus 3, 33 by 10. Now 11 minus, for 5 and 10 the LCM is 10. 5 2s are 26, 10 1s are 33. 11 minus 26, 33. If you add, you are getting 59 by 10. So again LCM 11 minus 59 by 10. 11 minus 59 by 10. For 1 and 10 the LCM is 10. 1 how many times will go? 10 times. 110 minus 59. From 110 subtract 59. Borrow 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 51. 51 by 10. 51 by 10. 51 by 10 in decimals if you convert it, 1 0 is there, before one digit you have to keep a point. 5.1 meters of rope is remained. Okay. This if you want to convert into mixed fractions, 51 by 10 in mixed fraction how you can write? 5 1 by 10. 5 1 by 10 is 10 5 is 50 plus 1, 51 by 10 meters. This much of rope of length is remained after cutting these two pieces. Okay. Next, we'll go for next problem. That is the cost of 7 2 by 3 meters of cloth is 12 rupees, 12 3 by 4 rupees. You see, cost of 7 2 by 3 meters of cloth is how many rupees? 12 3 by 4 rupees. And what he is asking? Find the cost per meter. So cost of 1 meter cloth is how much? Question is very simple. It is a third class or fourth class problem. How we have to do it? See it. 5 apples cost 100 rupees. 5 apples cost 100 rupees. 1 apple cost how much? For every problem its basic will be there. Okay. Without basics it won't come to you. Because directly any person won't study 8th class. But some students are there, they won't practice the problems. So that they won't get it. 5 apples cost 100 rupees, 1 apple cost how much? What you will do it? Unitary method is there. So that 100 divided by 5 will do it. Here also same thing. So here what you have to do is, if you want 1 meter cloth cost, total cost 3 by 4 rupees divided by 7 2 by 3. Convert mixed fractions into proper. 4 12s are 48. 51 by 4 divided by 21 23 by 3. So again if you reverse it, 51 by 4 into 3 by 23. Okay. Then how much you are getting? Cancellations, you can't cancel. 3, 15, 4 3 is 12 to 1, 92. Okay. 153 by 92. If you want to convert into mixed fractions, 153 into 92. 92 ones are. 3 minus 2 is 1. 15 minus 9 is 6. So here 161 by 92. 161 by 92 rupees is the cost of 1 meter. Next, 8th question. Find the area of a rectangular park which is 18 3 by 5 meters long and 8 2 by 3 meters broad. Area of a rectangle. What is the formula for area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. See, rectangle means this one. It is rectangle. This is called length. This is called breadth. He given length and breadth. Okay. 8th question. Length how much? Find the area of a rectangle which is 18 3 by 5 meters long. 18 3 by 5 meters long. And 8 2 by 3 meters broad. Length, breadth given. He is asking to find area. So you should know formula for area of a rectangle. That is L into B. Substitute the values of L and B in this one. 18 3 by 5 into 8 2 by 3. First convert this mixed fraction to proper. 18 5s are 90. 90 plus 3, 93 by 5 into 3 8s are 24 plus 2, 26 by 3. So 3 table, 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 31 and 26 multiplied. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 10, 8, 8 not 6 by 5. What is 8 not 6 by 5? Area's units is square meters. So what is the area of rectangular park? Means this one. This you can convert into mixed fractions. 806 divided by 51. 51 ones are 51. 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring 6 to down. 51. Okay. 6 it won't go. 51 5s are 255. 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. So how much you got here? Mixed fraction means 15 41 by 51. 15 41 by 51. What is this? Square meters is the area of rectangular arc. Okay. Now what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided to get minus 11 by 4? What number should? Say, I'll write here. What number should minus 33 by 16 be divided to get minus 11 by 4? It is very simple. Instead of these numbers, try to keep some natural numbers. What number should 5 be divided? See here, what number should maybe 30. What number should 30 be divided to get maybe 6? What number should 30 be divided to get 6? If you want to get 6, 30 should be divided with which number? 30, if you divide with 6 or 5, 30 if you divide with 5, what you are getting? 6 you are getting. So what is the answer is? 5 is the answer. What you have to do? This should be divided with this one. 30 divided by 6 you have to do it. Then you are getting answer. So in place of 30 write this one, in place of 6 write this one. You will get this answer. That is, so minus 33 divided by 16 divided by minus 11 by 4. So minus, otherwise, okay, do one thing. Divide by symbol. Minus 33 by 16 divided by minus 11 by 4. Minus cancelled. And again what you have to do? This fraction will be reversed. 33 by 16 into 4 by 11. 11 ones are, 11 threes are, 4 ones are, 4 fours are. How much you got here? 3 by 4. Is it right or not? If you want to see this, divide with this one, you have to get the answer as this one. What you have to do? Check up? Checking what you should do? Minus 33 by 16 divide with 3 by 4. What you are getting? Minus 33 by 16 same. Here it will be reversed. 4 by 3. 4 ones are, 4 fours are. 3 ones are, 3 11s are. How much you got here? Minus 11 by 4. So our problem is correct. So maximum 1-2 problems I left it. So these